welcome to Let's See. This is the second episode of the barbecue edition cookout. So back to the cookout. Cousins you ain't seen in a long time. Uncle so-and-so you ain't seen in a long time. Use cabbage. Take off the first couple of layers of your cabbage. One of the best things about cookout for me, man, is just everything. Seeing family, having fun, playing football in the street, hide and go seek, all this crazy stuff we used to do as kids. It was awesome. It was awesome. Take this cabbage, cut it down the middle. Where you cut your cabbage, put in a V, like that, and forward out. That's how you do that. Very simple. Some people, we're making coleslaw, by the way. Some people like to buy coleslaw in the bag already. I don't like that. I don't like that. This is where you're going to practice your knife skills. You practice your knife skills on situations like this. You're going to shave it as close as you can. It won't always be exactly the same. Just shave it as close as you can. Shave it as close as you can. Okay? Shave it as close as you can. There you go. Shave it as close as you can. Once again, at the top, come right up. I'm going to take this. Now we're going to rinse it off, but now you want to take it apart too as well. So the parts that are stuck together, you want to just take them apart. Very simple. Just let them flop in there. Take them apart, take them apart. Good to go. Same thing again. This is a great barbecue cookout side dish. They can be small. They can't be too big. Once again, break them up. Break them up. Perfect. Put water on it. Nice cold water. Move it around a little bit. Get in there and move it around. Don't be afraid of it. And don't be afraid to take some of these apart. You know, if they're stuck together, just break them apart. So. Nice, nice, nice. Let that drain out. So, also, I'm going to tell you a big key. Very important tip. With your potato salad and your coleslaw. Make sure you keep it on ice. Or you don't keep it out too long. Because if you do, someone will get sick. The bacteria, for some reason, moves faster with mayonnaise in it. Warm mayonnaise will get you sick. Very sick. So, be very careful that when you put your potato salad out, either you have a nice cooler right beside it, you can drop it in when no one's eating it, or just get a nice bowl of ice underneath it and keep it covered too, because don't forget, it's sitting outside. Sometimes the sun's just beating on it. Easily, that's one of the most dangerous ways of getting somebody sick. I'm telling you, very dangerous, very dangerous. Unfortunately, I got sick one time. Went to a church picnic And the potato salad was good, real good. But it was sitting out for a long time. And as it was sitting out, not covered up, not with no ice on it. I don't know how long it was sitting out, but I definitely got sick. So definitely a major tip today. Any product you use in mayonnaise, try your best to keep it chilled and covered. Okay. Now, back to my cookout stories. And I remember hide and go seek, man. I remember kick the can. I remember all these great games we would play. Football in the street, you know. Just amazing times, man. And that's part of the reason why we're in such turmoil right now. People don't know each other anymore. You're closer to your friends, so-called friends, than you are your own family members. You know? How about spending summers at so-and-so's house? How about coming up to visit during school breaks? Families are breaking up. It's just a mess. I promise you, food won't cure every problem. I think it'll cure a lot of them. Sitting down and having a nice meal. How was your day? You know, we sometimes get so selfish. What we got going on, if you don't stop and say, wow, this person had a worse day than I did. Let me see what I can do to help them make that day a little special. We're so consumed about us, me. Nobody checked on me. Man, listen, if you want love, give love. If you want love, give love. So, once again, you can buy this stuff already pre-done, but there's no fun in that. That's one of the key points that a lot of people weren't listening when Grandma was showing, Auntie was showing. Very simple. Grade this down like you're grading your cheese down. When I show you how simple this is, you're going to be shocked. Going to the store, buying a mixture for your coleslaw. You got everything in your house already. And also remember this too, because we're going to be using the same coleslaw for our fish and chips coming up. So what I'm trying to accomplish with all these episodes, I want you to put 2, 3 together and have a nice meal, you know? So when it's time for Thanksgiving dinner or Christmas dinner, you're not scrambling around, not knowing what to do. Go back to the video, go back to 1, go back to episode 6, go back to episode 7. You know, that turkey, the ham, the stuffing, I'm gonna do it all. Be very careful too with your fingers on this, because it'll get you, definitely get you. Very simple, y'all. Very simple. Like I told you before, taking your time, doing what you're doing, it's going to taste so much better when you do it yourself. I have people call me up, want me to do certain things that I know they can do themselves. These episodes is to get back to cooking. Get back to cooking. Get back to having a good time with your friends and your family. Get back to spending time together, laughing. Part of the problem is that we're too cool now. We're too cool to look silly. Remember when Uncle used to be drinking at the cookout and he slip and fall or what? Act a fool, have fun. You can't act a fool around your family and your close friends. This being cool stuff got us to the point where kids don't even say, hey, Mr. So-and-so, hey, Mrs. So-and-so. Kids will call you by your first name and won't even think twice about it. So, we're going to take a nice chunk of this cabbage here, grab about almost full bowl. chunks of carrots. And when I tell you it's that easy, it is really that easy. So, just a very little pinch of salt, little pinch of pepper. We're going to put about 4 teaspoons of sugar. Apple cider vinegar. Now, I put just a little touch in first. Just a little touch in first. Remember I told you before, if you add a little bit at a time, you can always add more. If you overdo it, you're going to have a mess. Take your time with it. Watch as this starts to turn into what you see and know as coleslaw. If you let it sit for a few hours or even a day overnight, that vinegar is going to get in there and start doing what it do, and next thing you know, you got a winner. I know this looks familiar to you. It smells just like it. Now, the cabbage is still a little firm, but as it sits, that vinegar is going to make it get a little softer, so you don't have to worry about it being too big or too small or whatever. It's going to get there. We have a little taste too. A little taste. Come on, y'all. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Just a little more. 2 little pinches of salt. Now, I recommend let it sit. Let it sit for a little while, a couple of hours. Overnight would be better. Let it sit. Let it do its thing. And you'll have no problems. When I tell you, these recipes have been passed down to me from friends, places I've worked over the years. Only time I support stealing when it comes to recipes. Steal. Pay attention. Watch. See what they say. How does that look like that? How did you get that like that? What did you do? How did you do that? A little bit of paprika. Oh yeah. Come on, y'all. I promise you, this stuff is very easy, very simple. You don't have to overdo it. I like to use green onion instead of parsley, just for a little extra kick to it. This is the fastest video I think we've ever done. This is it, y'all. Simple, quick, fast, and easy. Do it, man. Just take your time with it. It's going to come out perfect. I love you. I appreciate you. Let's eat.